Alright boys, welcome back to the channel. If you watched the last video, you know this video may consist lowering the Integra and installing the traction bar. But just wanted to put this out here that video and parts of this video were actually shot back in the end of February or beginning of March. It's just been quite some time. Just been really busy with life and whatnot in order to and I also haven't had a lot of projects going on either. There's a couple little things that I've done here and there, which I do wish I did film, but I did not. But today's video is not only going to be the Integra, we're also going to be featuring our lovely CE1 Honda Accord wagon. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this pigtail with this bulb socket and wiring it up to the turn signals on the bumper. You can get these off of any 98 to 2000 Honda Civic, and it's the same exact socket as these housings have, except this is a dual filament wiring harness and bulb, whereas the original bulbs on these Honda Accords are just a single filament. So in the end, what we'll actually have is a daytime running light down here that goes along with the corner light, which we could do it as a daytime running light, but I'm just gonna do it as it syncs up with the corner light. That way the whole front end's lit up at night, which I think is pretty damn cool. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna get this bumper off and yeah, sheesh. So we've got it all mocked up here. It's kind of hard to tell, but the dimmer filament stays lit while this other brighter filament flashes. So clearly we have the brightest filament connected to the turn signal that was originally on the harness for this bumper light, and then we attached a live hot wire feeding off of the corner light to give it that power to light that bitch up with the corner lights. So this is pretty much a go. I'm gonna stitch everything up, make it look factory, and move on to the next side. It's pretty simple stuff. Alright boys, so we've got it all wrapped up here. Looks pretty good. She works. Just gotta do the other side, and I'm not gonna bore you with doing the other side. I'm just gonna bang it out, zip everything back together, and then get a short video of the bumper all lit up, the whole front end all lit up. It's gonna be great. See ya then. Hey boys, harness is re-wrapped up, bulbs are in. Looks pretty decent, All right, now with the help of YouTube magic, and the bumper's back on. Look at how good that shit looks. I wanted to do this for so long, but I don't care who says it's easy or how easy it is for other people to do this shit. I've taken bumpers off of Accords and all different kinds of Hondas, and the Accords are always the ones that annoy the shit out of me the most. I'm always fighting with it, trying to get it aligned and everything, trying to make sure it looks good. Maybe I'm just like too focused on the gaps and shit, but I just want my cars to look good, and it drives me nuts. But YouTube magic made it so easy, okay? Let's see what it looks like when we turn some signal lights on. Shit. I really wish I could stop this hyper flashing, but I refuse to install resistors, and the LED flasher relay I bought just does not fucking work. It don't fit. I need like an adapter harness or something like that, but it does look pretty good. All right, boys. I'm not sure how long this all is gonna go on for, but if everything goes according to plan, you should be watching me do some Integra stuff next. Enjoy that, all right? So what I'm gonna do is do that traction bar first and lower the front. What do you think? Maybe 2 inches, an inch? I'm going with 2 inches. Yeah, we're going big. And if we have to adjust the rears, we adjust the rears too. Fuck it. All right. All right, kids. Always put your bolts back so you don't kick them across the garage. This is why I hate the rain. So I tried to dry the car off because the fucking floor is soaked now. Thanks, Mother Nature, you bitch. Sometimes it helps if you're fucking not retarded. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Come on. I probably just fucked a shot up on the GoPro. Damn, these fucking bushings are fat. God damn, bro. So let's sit on the fucking wet floor. Thanks, Tennessee, for the shitty weather. Was not so much better. Shit. Alright, let's see how this goes. I literally just did this on that CD coupe, but I had 2 people, not just one. Oh shit. I gotta pull the wires out for the reverse switch. I had no idea it was even connected here. Because I zip tied it there years ago. Did this swap like 5 years ago. Guess I'm gonna have to redo that. Alright, she's out. She's out. That's good shit. Let's pull this guy out of the box and make some shit happen. Boys, I wrapped everything up, gave every bolt a couple more turns, and what do you know, she's back on the ground. And it's not quite as low as I'd want it to be, but it's pretty fun. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Maybe we'll adjust it some other day, but that's as far as I'm going with that today. I can't wait to take it for a drive after I finish the buffing, because that was definitely part of my problem with the sloppy steering. Look at how fucking, can you even see that? It's fucking bad. Alright, I'm not gonna bore you guys to death with the rest of this fucking shit. I'm definitely gonna take it for a drive after I'm done, just to see how it feels. It's probably gonna feel a lot better than it did. With that busted ass fucking stock, you know, subframe or cross member, whatever you want to call it. All right, boys, I'm gonna cut this right here. See you. All right, boys. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully all the editing goes together, even though this is shot 3 months apart. But we do have some new content coming up soon, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. So the B20B and that DA back there is going to surprise a lot of you guys. So the other day, Matt has the CD coupe with the H22 in it, and we ran the H22 against the B20B, and we did send it a little bit the other day. Apparently the timing belt tensioner did not appreciate my flat foot shifting, so the tensioner is very loose and it's pretty sketchy. The B20B won a few times, which is pretty shocking, but it was a good race, a lot of fun. But the timing belt tensioner did not enjoy the pulls that much and my flat foot shifting, because I beat the snot out of it. Thank God I didn't jump timing. We are going to race again, and we're going to capture it all for you guys, and it should be pretty entertaining. The B20B in this Integra will surprise many of you. It really keeps up with that H22. And then we also have a dyno day coming up soon within the next month for the H22 CD Coupe, Matt's car. So stay tuned for that too. We're gonna be doing some pulls before against the Integra, races if that's what you wanna call them, and then after with the new tune on it. All right, boys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Sheesh.